Hello everyone and welcome to this course on implementing containers on Windows Server 2019. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Christian Kalinescu and I will be your instructor for this course. I am a Microsoft certified at different levels and on different technologies like MCSA for Windows Server 2012 R2 and 2016 and Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert for Cloud Platform and Infrastructure. I'm also a Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional certified and a CompTIA Security Plus certified. Now, this is yet another course which you can use to learn the Windows Server MCSA learning path. Everything that I will teach you here also applies on Windows Server 2016, so it is a good way to also study for your Server 2016 MCSA. Now, for the past couple of years, businesses on the bleeding edge of technology have changed the way they build and deploy applications using, let's say, Linux-based containers. And they've used containers to provide an isolated and portable operating environment that works consistently and repeatedly when deploying in development, staging, or in production. And now, with the Actually, since the release of Server 2016, we have native support for Windows-based containers, and Microsoft shops can now start to enjoy the benefits of containerized applications as well. In this course, we'll start with an introduction to container technology and how it's implemented on Windows Server 2019 and 2016 as well. We'll discuss the fundamentals of containers so you can understand how they work. We'll then explore some of the most common use cases and you learn the basics about container hosts, container images, and working with image registries. Next, we'll move on to deploy containers on Windows Server. So you'll learn how exactly to set up Windows Server 2019 container host running Docker. And you'll see how to deploy containers running Windows Server and Nano Server as well. We'll also look at the differences between the running containers using process isolation versus running containers with Hyper-V based isolation. Then we'll move on to managing containers on Windows Server, and you'll learn about the common management tasks like authoring Docker files to automate and build your own container images, and you'll see how to push and pull images from the Docker Hub. In the last couple of sections, we'll also take a look at the basics of Docker networking, and you'll even see how to deploy a container host in Microsoft Azure and of course deploy a multi-container application using the Docker Compose. So whether you're looking to pick up new skills for a project at work, or you're looking to get your MCSA certification, this course will give you everything you need to know and will give you all the skills that you need to understand the key container concepts on Windows Server 2019 and 2016 as well. So I will see you guys in the next lesson where we'll discuss about building your lab environment.